Deep down in the big blue sea, where the sun makes sparkly patterns on the water, lived a dolphin named Dory. Dory wasn't just any dolphin. He had the biggest smile and an even bigger heart. He loved zooming through the coral reefs, playing hide-and-seek with the seahorses, and saying hello to all his ocean friends. One sunny afternoon, while practicing his super-duper spins, Dory heard a tiny cry for help. "Help us! We're stuck!" He swam closer and saw a big, tangly fishing net. Trapped inside were a family of little fish, their colorful scales looking sad and scared. The smallest one, a little fish named Finn, was trying his best to push the net open, but it was just too strong. "Don't worry, little friends," Dory chirped with his cheerful voice. "I'll get you out of there." He tried pushing the net with his nose, but it wouldn't budge. He tried nudging it with his tail, but still, nothing. Dory paused and thought for a moment. He knew he couldn't do it alone. He needed a team. "Okay, listen up, little fishies," Dory said. "When I say now, I want you all to swim to one side of the net, all together. I'll push from the outside at the same time. We have to work as a team." Finn and his family looked at each other and nodded. They gathered all their strength. "Ready, ... set, now!" Dory shouted. He pushed with all his might, and inside, all the little fish swam together in the same direction. The net wiggled, it wobbled, and then, pop! A small hole opened up. "Quickly, swim through!" Dory cheered. One by one, the little fish zipped out of the hole to freedom. They swam around Dory, giggling and cheering. "You saved us!" "Thank you, Dory." Finn squeaked happily. Dory smiled, his biggest smile yet. "We saved ourselves, together," he said. From that day on, Dory and his new little friends were the best of pals, always reminding everyone in the ocean that with a little bit of kindness and teamwork, anything is possible. Thanks for watching our story! If you loved Dory's adventure, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fun stories from under the sea. See you next time!